Fix HyperX Ngenuity not detecting microphone 2025 full tutorial. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix HyperX Ngenuity not detecting microphone. So first of all, you can check basic physical or waist level setup, like ensure the mic is properly connected. For wired headset, fully insert the 3.5 mm or USB jack. For USB dongle models, try reinserting the dongle and switching ports. And press the mute button on your headset or inline controls to check if mic is muted. And go to Windows, Settings and Systems, and then Sounds and Input. Choose your HyperX microphone from the drop down to set HyperX mic as default input. And you can also go to Settings, Privacy, Security, Microphone, enable microphone access for apps for the system to check privacy permissions. And after that, you can verify in Sound Control panel. Like you can press Windows plus R and type mmssystem.cpl and hit enter. Go to the recording tab, look for your HyperX mic. If disabled, right click enable. If not shown, right click blank space, show disabled devices, and test by speaking into the mic. And after that, this all methods doesn't work with you, you can reinstall Ngenuity plus drivers. So you can unplug the headset, uninstall Ngenuity, and reinstall latest Ngenuity version and plug headset back in and launch Ngenuity. So if this method is also not working, you can update device drivers manually. You can just right click start device manager, expand audio inputs and outputs, sounds, video and game controllers. Right click on HyperX device, update drivers. You can choose search automatically for drivers, and you can use Windows Update to search for audio updates, and that's optional. And you can also use HyperX firmware updater if available. You can go to https://support.hyperx.com, download the firmware update utility for your model, run the tool with the headset plugged in, and do not disconnect during update. So if this method also doesn't work with you, you can try on another PC or user profile. It might be a issue on your device. And that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.